Did you know that the first large-scale solar power plant was built in 1968 in Odilio, France? This pioneering project laid the groundwork for the renewable energy revolution we're experiencing today. In many organizations, a lack of understanding in renewable energy finance and project modeling can lead to missed opportunities. Companies may struggle to evaluate the feasibility of green energy projects, fail to secure appropriate funding, or miscalculate the long-term benefits of renewable investments. This can result in continued reliance on traditional energy sources and missed chances to reduce carbon footprints. At the personal and team level, professionals may find themselves ill-equipped to handle the unique financial aspects of renewable energy projects. They might struggle with complex financial models, risk assessment for green technologies, or understanding the nuances of renewable energy policies and incentives. This can lead to hesitation in pursuing renewable projects and difficulty in convincing stakeholders of their value. This specialized course comes to the rescue by providing comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in renewable energy finance and project modeling. It equips participants with the tools to accurately assess, finance, and model renewable energy projects, ensuring optimal decision-making and project success. By taking this course, individuals will gain a deep understanding of renewable energy technologies, financial structuring for green projects, and advanced modeling techniques. They'll learn to create sophisticated financial models, evaluate risks and returns, and navigate the unique landscape of renewable energy financing. The impact on organizations can be transformative. With a team of well-trained professionals, companies can confidently pursue renewable energy projects, secure appropriate funding, and accurately forecast project outcomes. This leads to reduced environmental impact, potential cost savings, and improved corporate social responsibility. At a personal and team level, employees will become proficient in renewable energy finance. They'll be able to lead green energy initiatives, provide valuable insights on project feasibility, and contribute to their organization's sustainability goals. This expertise can lead to career advancement opportunities in the rapidly growing renewable energy sector. Don't let a lack of specialized knowledge hold your organization back from embracing renewable energy. Empower yourself and your team with the skills to excel in renewable energy finance and project modeling. Enroll in this course today and take a significant step towards driving the clean energy transition in your organization.